check out our Revamped Blog Builder. This feature is going to offer a new and improved blogging experience with SEO capabilities, automated sitemaps, and customizable layouts, which is going to simplify blog management and boosting online visibility. When we go to talk about those benefits, there are a ton. First of all, this is going to optimize your SEO. With simplified URLs and chronological tags, you are going to enhance your search engine visibility. This is huge. Also, you're going to have automated site maps that are going to be updated automatically. It's also going to allow you to customize those layouts. Now you can design blogs with the layout that you want and posts with much greater flexibility. As far as practical use, now a business that wants to boost their online presence by regularly publishing blogs, good idea, they can now use the Revamped Blog Builder. They can easily create SEO-optimized posts with customizable layouts, ensuring their content is both visibly appealing and search engine friendly. So let's go ahead and add a new blog. To do this, you're going to go into Sites, and then you're going to go into Blogs, and you're going to click Plus New. Now with any blog, you need to update those details: the blog site title, the domain and slug, the meta description, and then you're going to click that Create button. Now, there is also the Edit the Blog tab if you would like to go ahead and edit anything on your blog site. Now, we want to go ahead and configure the blog. So go ahead and select that blog, add the title and the blog type, and now go ahead and select those categories. Now, over here on the right side, you are going to be able to customize those styles. So make sure that you're under the Styles tab in the right-hand menu. Now you can also customize your blog home and post page. So to do that, you're going to want to click on the page icon and click Edit. You'll also be able to update that SEO metadata right in this same area. Now go ahead and view those newly added blogs. This is on the blog's main page. This feature enhances blog management and SEO, which is going to empower your business to create engaging and highly visible content right within the CRM. We hope you enjoy this new feature. Let us know if you need any help at all.